G'day legends. So we're down at Ultra Tune, South Fremantle again, and we've had a big day in the shop here on a Saturday, free of cars, just so the boys can spend time working on the car. And what we're doing today, or what we have been doing today, is a track correction from Superior Engineering. So absolute weapon of a diff housing with a track correction. So in a Toyota Land Cruiser, because of the front engine so big, Toyota widened the front, the axles, and for some reason that is going to be the Achilles heel of every 70 series Land Cruiser ever, is that they haven't ever widened the rear axles. So you either have to fix that with offset rims, which I've done for the last 6 years, or spacers, which can be dangerous, and actually I don't think they're legal because what you're doing is reducing the amount of thread that your nuts can sit on the car, on the axle and the hub itself. And so to go the full hog, I've actually gone with the track correction rear diff that is compatible with your factory locker. It's armoured plating, like 4mm thick all the way around, so you can just slide over absolutely anything and hit rocks. You don't have to worry about it, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Really stoked. Look at the footage. It's an absolute weapon, and it is the strongest track correction diff housing on the market. So I've also got a new steering arm at the front going in there, sexy bit of kit with this. Now this basically connects your Superior Engineering arm to the steering dampener. This little bracket is a beautiful bit of kit. It almost looks, well, it looks too good to be on the car right now. It needs a good clean, and well, just needs to be back up north, hitting the tracks. So look, with the Superior Engineering steering dampener, with the steering arm, drop-down radius arms, the top of the line 2.5 reservoir shocks from Superior, and now on top of that, with the diff housing at the back with the track correction, whew, this car is set up, and I can't wait to take this thing off road. Thanks so much to Jason and Oakley for working all day on it today, and for Ultra Tune South Freo looking after me. Time to get it on the road, but first have a couple of beers. installations are pretty straightforward. The biggest part is actually getting the old kit off the car and making sure you put in the new bolts in the right places, your hoses in the right places, but pretty straightforward installation overall. They've designed it for the 78, for the 79, and it's ready to go. So a bit time consuming with some of the issues we had getting out the old diff housing, but other than that, it's been an absolute dream, and good to work with the boys down here and talk stories about adventures and camping, and that's the way you do it, hey? Do these jobs with mates and it doesn't make it too bad. It's almost time to take this car on the road, get it up north. Got some big trips planned this year, guys. A bit of a mix with towing the boat and just pure adventures with the car. Getting out to some really, really remote places that I can't wait to share with you and teach you about, as well as learn myself. So as always, thanks for watching. Comment down below, share the love, subscribe if you haven't already. Look, it's hard to make a living on YouTube, and it's hard to keep inspired on YouTube. So, you know, sharing the love always helps. So thanks again for watching, legends, and supporting over these years. Stay tuned for what's to come, and yeah, really appreciate your support.